Hi everyone, today I'm going to share a very quick recipe of chicken biryani. First of all, I've took oil in a pan. I've took 2 to 3 large onions. I'm going to give these a nice golden brown color and I'm going to keep stirring between so it gets an even color. If your guests are coming on a short notice, you should try making it this way. It turns out really good. It's very easy and quick to make. I'll tell you about the spices. I'm using bay leaves of curry patta, using cinnamon stick, 8 to 10 cloves, 5-6 black cardamom, black pepper, cumin seeds, suka dhania, coriander seeds, biryani masala and dried plum. I'm also gonna add a tablespoon of crushed chili as well. My onions have turned brown. Make sure they get an even nice golden color. We are now going to make them dark brown. I'm gonna take a little bit out for garnishing. The fried onions taste really nice in biryani. I'm gonna use it for topping. All these spices I've told you is for 5 cups of rice, which is about 1.5 kg, and I'm gonna use same amount of chicken as well. Now I'm gonna add my 1.5 kg chicken in there. It's best to use the bone chicken, but because of kids I'm using the boneless. I've soaked my rice on the side. I've washed my chicken. I'm gonna add my 1.5 kg of chicken in. I have added the ginger garlic in now. You can use the paste or the frozen ones. I'm using the frozen ones. Now all the spices I mentioned earlier, I'm gonna put these in. Other than that, I'm gonna put salt, red chili powder and haldi in there as well. I'm using 5 cups, so I'm using 5 spoons of salt, so 1 spoon for each cup. I've added a full can of tomato tin. I'm also gonna add half a cup of yogurt in. That gives a really nice tangy taste to the biryani. I'm gonna let it cook on a high speed and let all the water reduce. We need to make sure all the spices are blended in and the chicken's cooked properly. All the water from yogurt and tomatoes should reduce. Biryani is very popular and a very special dish, not only for us Asians but also loved all over the world because of the perfect blend of spices. To make it more special, I've added 5 tablespoons of imli sauce and 5 tablespoons of lemon juice. I'm gonna add this in the chicken as well. On the side, I've prepared lemon slices, bullet chilies and mint leaves. I'm going to add the imli sauce and lemon juice mixture in the chicken now and cook it again for 5 to 10 minutes. At the end, I'm going to add all the lemons, fresh mint leaves and bullet chilies in and let it cook for a couple of minutes. On the side, my rice are being boiled. My chicken is done now. The water is reduced, the oils come out, and I'm gonna check on my rice now. They're nearly done as well. We're not gonna overboil them, otherwise they get mushy. I've drained all the water now. Now I'm gonna make 3 layers of rice first, then chicken, then food coloring, then rice again, food coloring and chicken. I made 3 layers. I'm gonna put it on steam for 15 to 20 minutes and now it's ready to serve. Hope you like this quick recipe. Do try and let me know how did you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.